Alright guys, it's the springtime. It's time to fire up the old generator. Make sure it's working good, but first things first. Hey guys, figured it's springtime. It's time to get out my 3800 watt gasoline generator. It's a PowerIt, more or less the Walmart brand, so I'm going to get this out and see if we can get her started today. Little view of the front of it. Again, you have your on and off switch, your circuit breaker, and it's got two 110 plugs. Again, your connection for your RV. And I've had this for a couple years now. The only issue I've noticed by storing it in the garage is a few of the metal pieces seem to have a little bit of surface rust on it, so I think next year it's... So I've checked the fuel. There's a little bit of gas left in it. Again, this is old gas from last year. Last time it was started was maybe 8 or 9 months ago. This is the side of the generator. So we're going to turn the fuel on, and we're going to... choke's already on, and we're going to make sure it's ventilated. The barn door is wide open there. The exhaust is outside. I'm only going to have it running for probably 30 seconds or so, and I'll haul it outside. Alright, so turn the switch on, and we'll see if this thing wants to start. Again, it's a 7 horsepower gasoline engine. What I'm going to do is let it run for a few minutes there, kind of gets the old fuel out of the carburetor, and I'll end up moving this into the garage, and I'll be putting some fresh fuel in it. But I brought the vacuum cleaner. I just want to make sure the generator part of the unit is working, but started up pretty good for sitting all winter with old gas in it. There we go guys, started up without any issues. Again, what I'm going to end up doing is moving this into my garage. That way it's a little less humidity, keeps the rust off the unit, and I'll get a special cover for it. And next time too is I'll put some Supreme fuel in it and make sure the tank's full. Again, that's my own fault. I should have probably checked that before I put it away. And again, there's a few little rust spots on the exhaust, as you can see just on the top, and a little bit of the nuts and bolts, so I'm going to make sure that's all cleaned up there to prevent any further rust on it. Anyways guys, just wanted to do a quick startup video.